India is truly a hidden gem amongst the sea of so many different countries that someone can visit, and wouldn't change it for the world.
Leading like a bunch of 30 people here was something that I'd never imagined doing before, and I'm so glad I did it.
I loved seeing the architecture, Jantar Mantar, the observatory. I also didn't get a great picture of the outside of it, but I loved the pink was absolutely stunning in the light. So I would do that again for sure.
It's a wonder of the world, of course, and to be able to just walk through the gates and see the beautiful white marble just pop immediately across the sea of grass and red stone as a contrast. That's certainly an unbelievable visual experience. Jaipur, I think it felt the most authentically Indian. Delhi and Mumbai have a lot to offer from, a city lifestyle, but Jaipur, it feels like, you're living in the 1800s of what India probably was going to be like. But also seeing like the beauty of what it is today and how people have, modernized it, both in the old city and the new.
I like the energy in Mumbai a lot. The energy in Mumbai is more hardworking, like making a life for yourself, which I really like. But I also feel like there's a really good sense of community, which I really love.